Have you ever felt the chill of death creeping closer? In a hair-raising moment, a group of skiers found themselves under the threat of a massive avalanche. As snow thundered down the mountain, panic surged through their hearts. One brave skier led a daring escape, guiding his friends through the chaos. Miraculously, they evaded disaster. Exhausted but alive, they breathed a sigh of relief. Nature's fury had been unleashed, but luck was on their side. They emerged with stories that would last a lifetime. In the end, they learned the true value of life and camaraderie. This lucky escape became their defining moment.